Hi, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching this video. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Zoom app. Yay! So today, we're looking at how to use your laptop to use the Zoom app and how you can use the Zoom app on your phone. I'll be teaching you how you can actually link to your Zoom meetings, to how you can join your Zoom meetings through your link, through your meeting IDs. I'll be teaching you how to chat using the Zoom app. I'll be teaching you how you can share your screen and teach people the wonderful things you know using your Zoom app. I'll also teach you how you can join, host, and schedule a meeting. Please, if you're a new subscriber, if you're watching me for the first time, yay, you're welcome. All right, please hit the subscribe button. You want to subscribe to this channel. On this channel, I teach you how to build a profitable business. I also teach you how to develop everything that has to do with profitability and productivity concerning your business. You do not want to miss any of my videos. Hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Also like and comment my video. You know I love you.
Okay, so we are here. We want to look at how you can host your Zoom meeting using your laptop. So here's what you want to do. You want to go to your browser. I'm using Chrome browser here, but you want to go to whatever browser it is you are using. Click on Zoom and enter. So we go to, from there, come here. So this is the Zoom interface. You want to sign up, it's free. You want to sign in. If I click on sign in, this is what it is going to bring for me. So I can sign in using my Google, using my email, or using my Facebook. So let's sign in using my Facebook. So we are signed in. Yes, we are signed in. So the next thing you want to do is this. If you want to schedule a meeting, you want to host a meeting tomorrow, you want to host it in 1 month time, 3 days time, come to schedule a meeting. So you want to come here to schedule a meeting. So what is the topic for your meeting? So the topic for your meeting may be women in business. So let's say women in business. So we have women in business. So it's asking us, when is your meeting? When do you want to host your meeting? This is 3rd of November. So you want to host your meeting on let's say 4th of November, or this same 3rd of November. You can leave it. It's asking you for time, so you want to select your time to 11:30. If it is AM, if it is PM, you come here, change it. Duration. Now note, Zoom has both the paid plan and the free plan. If you are using the free plan, you have just 40 minutes free time. So it means you have to keep scheduling meetings after meetings. But if you are on the paid plan, then it's unlimited depending on what you upgrade to. So if you want to pay to upgrade, just come here, click on upgrade, and it will show you how much you pay for each upgrade and the number of people that each upgrade can take. So let's look at it. So if you're upgrading to pro, this is $14.99 monthly. So if you're operating to business, it is $19.99. So you have different options, different things you can do, large meetings. If it is the free plan, it can only take 100 people, but if it is the paid plan, you have up to 1,000 to 4,000 people on it, depending on the plan you are choosing. So let's go back to schedule our meeting. So we are using the free plan. So this is our time zone. You can change the time zone to suit what or where you are. So if it's a recurring meeting, if it's a meeting you know that it is every Sunday, it holds by 7, so you can click recurring and you put the occurrence. If it is daily, if it is weekly, if it is monthly, you want to put it there. You want to put the start end date and maybe after 7 days the reoccurrence is gone. Template, if you have a template for it, you put. Then this is the passcode, the security code. Now we have waiting room. You can come here and click on the waiting room if you want people to join, but you have to approve them before they can actually come into the meeting. But if you don't want them to wait, you don't need to click on this. So here's another thing. Let's remove the recurring meeting. So meeting ID, if you want to use personal meeting ID, you click on personal meeting ID, and this is it. So you get your meeting ID 6808144467. You have your passcode here. So your waiting room, or because at times you're already busy, you're talking, you don't want to start approving people to come in, please remove the waiting room so that as people click on your link, they get inside the room immediately. So video, do you want your video on when you start or off? You come here to click. Your participant, do you want them to join with videos? For some participants, because their settings are not okay, they are not in a proper place, you want to put their videos off, except if you are having a one-on-one interview, then you can put their videos on. And this is it. You click on save. So you click on save once you are done. Once you click on save once you are done, that is all. That is all. So you want to copy this. You want to copy this and send it to whosoever is joining your meeting. So you can come here to copy invitation. So copy invitation, and this is it. So our invitation has been copied. You can then go and paste your invitation on wherever you want to paste it. You want to send it to you want to send your invitation to a Gmail, to an email, whatever it is you're sending it to. You want to send it to a WhatsApp number, you can come here to now do this. So this is how to schedule a meeting. This is how to schedule a meeting. So you want to join a meeting. When you schedule a meeting, it's almost the same as hosting a meeting. You are scheduling because it is not today or it is not yet time, but you want to host. If it is an immediate meeting, you want to host with your video off or with your video on, or you only want to share your screen. So if you are hosting with your video on, you click on video on, and then your download starts in a few minutes and you are good to go. So your meeting automatically starts. So but that's not what we are doing right now. So we want to go back. So let's go back to where we are. So you want to join a meeting. So if you want to join a meeting, assuming you have been sent a link. So let's see, we have been sent a link. So let's look at the link that we were just sent. So if this is the link, let's copy and paste it here. So this is the link for the meeting. Now you want to join. Someone has sent you a link to join a Zoom meeting. Just click on this link direct. If you are using your laptop, you can click on the link direct, or you can copy the meeting ID and the passcode and go and put it in. But since we are going through the link direct, let's look at it. So you launch meeting. So let's launch meeting, and then you can join from your browser. You can join from your browser. So let's join from our browser, or you download now depending on what you want. So we have launched and we are in. We are in. So you are in your meeting. So you are the host, depending if you are the host. If you are not the host would have joined already. So you want to join with your computer audio so that the host or the person you are having a meeting with can hear you talk, and you can also hear them talk. So join with computer audio. Join with computer audio. Now look down. Let's look down. So let's look down. You want to come here. If you feel your environment is going to be noisy, you want to come here and mute your microphone so that they are not hearing what you say in your background. That is, if you are joining a meeting and it's noisy, you can also come here. You know, right now there's no video, but you want to come here and start a video. So when you click on start a video, the host is seeing you. Every other participant is also seeing you when you join this. So you also want to share your screen. You want to share your screen. Maybe you want to teach from your slide. You want to teach someone how to use a particular thing. Just come to share screen. Once you come to share your screen, click on the box here and share. Then automatically your screen gets shared. So the whole person you're having a meeting with is seeing your screen, is seeing everything you are doing on your screen. So you see it's saying stop screen share. So you can stop screen share here. You can pause it if you have to do something, if you have to pick something, if you have to say something, you can just pause it. You can continue to share again. So you continue to share. All right, so the next thing you want to do is this. You want to look at your chat. So let's stop sharing. Let's move to our chat. Let's move to our chat. So you want to send a message, assuming you are not the only one on the Zoom meeting. So you want to just click on your chat, come here and type whatsoever message. Hi. Then you want to introduce yourself. I am Atinuke, and enter. So you see everyone is seeing your message. You can also read other people's messages from here. You want to click a reaction, please come and click here, pick a reaction. You want to raise your hand, you want to do a thumbs up, just click and pick a reaction and it is there. So you also want to come to your setting depending on what settings you want to do. That is if you are the host. But if you are not the host, you don't need any settings. You don't need to come and adjust the settings. So this is how to use the Zoom app. This is how to use the Zoom app. This is how you use it on your laptop. This is how to use it on your laptop. So if we are also going to jump into how to use your Zoom app from your phone, how to use your Zoom app on your phone. So let's jump right in to that. If you have gotten value from this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, comment if you have any questions, and I will be there to attend to your questions.
So we want to now look at how you can join a Zoom meeting, host a Zoom meeting from your phone. This is what you want to do. You want to go to your Play Store. On your Play Store, you must have downloaded the app. So go to Play Store, download Zoom. Download Zoom. So we have Zoom because it's downloaded on my phone already. I have it here. So I click on open. So I click on open. So as you can see, I have new meeting, join schedule. So just like we did on the laptop, you want to schedule a meeting. Same thing, maybe women in business. You want to say women in business. So the date, today's time, 6 p.m. Like I said, you just have 40 minutes on the free plan. So if you want to use a meeting ID, you come here, click it off or on. Depending if it's a repeat meeting, a recurring meeting, click on it. Maybe if it reoccurs every day, every 2 weeks, every month, depending, you come and click on this. So you move enable waiting room. Like I said, if you want people to wait before you approve them joining the meeting, you can enable it. If not, you just leave it off. So host video on, if you want your video to be on when you join. Participant video off. Like I said, their background may not be nice and it may be noisy, you may be seeing people on it, so you want it off until they are ready to put it on and you are done. So just click on done and you have it. So you want to send the link. This is it. This is your meeting details. You want to invite someone, you want to send it to someone, just click on invite. You can send it through your Gmail, through your Yahoo, or you copy to clipboard. So I have copied to clipboard. I want to go and post it on this place. I post it here and I send. So after sending it, the next thing, I still want to go back to my app. I want to go back to my app. So if I were to join a meeting using my meeting ID and passcode, so let's look at the meeting ID. Meeting ID. So I want to come here. I want to copy my meeting ID.
So I've copied my meeting ID. I want to come and post it here. So this is my meeting ID. I've posted it. So I want to go and copy the passcode. So I want to copy this passcode. This Z2L64. This is okay. Join. Okay. So I'm connecting. Once, and you are also connected automatically into the meeting. So we are out of the meeting. So you want to join a meeting, you want to do a new meeting, you want to start a meeting. This is just how to do. So watching this video, please kindly subscribe. It's very important that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss anything I post here. You're looking for profitability, you're looking for productivity, you're looking to grow your business. This is where you want to be. Hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you for watching.